This video, I'm going to show you my 6,000 person recruiting machine. This is the system that I've put in place to help me attract over 6,000 people to my network marketing opportunity. And I will show you the exact step-by-step process that you need to go to so you can build your very own as well. This actually will help solve a lot of problems that I have faced in network marketing, and hopefully you're not facing these, but if you are, this will help you with freeing up a lot more of your time. Biggest challenge I see a lot of network marketers have is that it's a lot of time to be prospecting people, to find people, prospect them, and even know like, what should I say to these people? Let alone like, okay, if they don't buy now, how do I follow up with them in a very automated way, authentic way? And then how can I actually build a system that's duplicatable that I can give to my teammates so they can have success as well? Because a lot of people, when they are debating if they're going to join your team or not, they just see what you're doing and they may think to themselves, I don't want to do what you're doing because that's awkward, it's salesy, it's weird, right? So this is my recruiting machine. I'm so glad to help you build this out. If you want me to help you out step by step, give you a video every single day with click by click of how to build this all out, then I do have a 21-day challenge. It's a recruiting machine challenge. Down below, you can learn more information on that down below. So let's jump into it. First problem that network marketers have is, how can I get people that are interested? How can I find people that are interested in what I have to offer? How do I get their attention so they actually will know that I exist? So the first step of the formula is always going to be attention. How do I get the attention of people? If you do not get attention, you will go obsolete. That's your biggest challenge that you have right now. If you can solve this problem of getting people's attention, it doesn't matter what product or service you have. If you could just get the attention of the entire world, someone would buy your product, right? So you need to figure out a way to do this. A lot of people say go in DM strangers, go into Facebook groups. The problem with this is it takes a lot of time. It takes a lot of time, a lot of effort, a lot of rejection. And then you have to figure out, okay, like what do I say to all these people, right? So instead of doing this, what I want you to focus on doing every single day is make a video every single day. Why do you want to do a video every single day? If you do a video every single day, the algorithms will do the prospecting for you. An algorithm is just trying to put content in front of people that will consume that content. For example, if you make a video about running and what running shoes to buy and how to prevent injuries with running and how to stretch as a runner, those videos will go in front of runners, right? And then it will go into the next step here, but now you have the attention of your people, okay? Another reason why you want to be doing video every single day is because you can do a video one time. Make a video, maybe 10 minutes long. That video can go out into thousands of people. And a video could even be as short as 7 seconds, right? But it could go to thousands of people. I think my best video right now has over like 2 years worth of watch time. And it took me less than 10 minutes to make. So you want to be making a video every single day. Second, okay, so you make your video every single day. Then what do you want to do next? Is you want to gather that attention of those people and you want to qualify those people. How do you qualify these people? Normally what most network marketers do is they say, hey, you know, in the DMs, hey, are you interested in an opportunity, making money online, or whatever it is? And someone will say yes. Then that network marketer will say, okay, I'm going to send you a video. Can you watch it right now? And they say, sure. So you can do the same kind of thing, but instead of sending them a video, send them a free report. Send them something very easy for them to consume. Some kind of PDF of like 5 checklists to 5 points to be able to solve a problem. Okay, so going back to our runner example here, it's like, hey, I made a video about running and how to stretch. Hey, if you want my free 5-point checklist of the best stretches to do as a runner, put in your information. And this is what's called a landing page. You want to use a landing page because it's going to get their name and their email. And guess what? All of the people that put in their name and their email, these are actually people that are interested. They're interested because they've taken action. They're not just someone that you scoped out and you looked and you're like, hey, based on, you know, they're in insurance and they're a real estate agent, they must be like interested in this as well, right? You're not guessing These people, they've taken action. And so you can actually say, wow, this person, they took action, they put in their information. I know that this person is a good qualified lead. So this is how you want to do it. You want to build out a landing page. Software that I recommend for this is called StanStore. It's so easy. You can build a landing page in less than 5 minutes. I'll put a free link down below to StanStore. It's a 14-day free trial. After that, it's only $27 or $29 a month, which is insane for what you get inside of it. But go check it out. Build out a landing page in less than 5 minutes. They will also help you create your lead magnet as well, because you need to have some kind of information here to give away for free, some free content. This is actually going to build that reciprocity, because if you can give out a ton of free content, free value, free information that will solve people's problems, and they don't have to pay you at all, you just go up in their mind of like, wow, this person's amazing, they're awesome, I want to follow them, I want to do what they're doing, I want to be with them, I want to buy from them, right? And eventually you can then say, hey, I have a supplement, right? Which then leads them to your product and your service. Okay, so this is the beginning. Like, this is like level 1 of creating a recruiting machine. Okay, level 1 is you make videos, you give them to a landing page, you put that landing page to a product, and then you're set, right? Ideally, you want to get to about 1K a month with this system. Okay, from here, the recruiting machine goes even further. After you get someone's information, they will go into a list. This is an email list. This is your greatest asset that you can be building at any time, because your network marketing company may go out of business. They may get shut down. They may go bankrupt, right? They may get sold off. They may just fizzle, right? And you may be like, wow, that just died out, right? I was building out one company and they were in like the financial service area, doing like legal and taxes and things like that. And then they're like, hey, let's start building supplements. And so my entire team just went, because they're like, I thought we were doing finances, not supplements. And so the entire thing switched. But the key here is you want to be building out an email list, a list of all these people, because if you can have an email list, you can build up a follow-up system in an automated way. How do you do that? It's using leverage, right? So if you send out an email and you have 1,000 people on your list, you send one email, it goes out to all 1,000 people. It's very similar to like this video. If you do one video, it can go to 1,000 people. And you can automate this. So on day 1, it follows up. On day 3, it follows up. And if they purchase it, it says, oh, you don't need to follow up anymore. It will just stop. Okay? Again, if you want help from me to set this all up, I have a 21-day auto recruiting, it's called a 21-day recruiting machine challenge. And included in that, you get a free coaching call with me. So I can help you look for any snags that you may have along the way. Okay. But you want to build an email list, because as soon as if anything happens down the road, right, you can send out an email to 1,000 people and say, hey, this is what I'm doing now, come and join me. Or you can follow up with people in an automated way until they will purchase from you and buy from you. I had one person, I've been emailing them. They've been on my email list for over a year. I sent out an email the other day. They signed up, they called me and said, hey, I want to join. Can we do this, right? And I said, well, let's see if I can actually help you out. And we could, and so we signed them up as a client, right? So build out an email list here of people that are interested in what you have. The beautiful thing about this is it can compound over time. Is this email list will then allow you to send emails to those people, providing value from the videos that you create, right? So if you have 1,000 people on your list and you send out an email to those 1,000 people and they say, hey, go watch this video, guess who's going to go and watch it? Those people, and they'll get more value, right? And it's this compound effect that happens over time. Not only can you do that, but you can send emails to your offer. You can send people directly from your videos to your offer. And so it's this beautiful flywheel that happens over time. It compounds. It can be automated very, very well. And people will start to build trust with you. You'll be an authority figure with them because you're making videos every day. you're solving their problems for free. And then you can say, hey, if you want to solve your problems even faster, quicker, easier, then you can buy my offer, right? That is how you want to build out a recruiting machine. That's the exact same system that I have been able to do. If you want me to send you a video every single day showing you exactly how to set this all up, click by click, come join the 21-day challenge. You'll get a video every day with a very simple action step. At the end of 21 days, you'll have built out this entire recruiting machine. And at the end of the 21 days, I'll do a coaching call with you, look at your system and say, hey, you may want to fix this, or let's add in this, and we can make it even 10 times more from you. So go ahead, and if you have any questions on how to prospect, then check out this video right here.